Buongiorno a tutti! My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be cooking pepperoni con pomodoro e uova, which is peppers with tomatoes and eggs, from the kitchen of Connie De Santis. This is a very easy recipe. It requires very few ingredients. It's perfect for a fast lunch or a dinner, something you just want to throw together. It requires salt, oil, ripe tomatoes, garlic, fresh basil, pepper, onions, eggs, and peppers. For the first step, you want to cut your onion into slices. When you're preparing your onion, you don't want to cut it too small because onion is the type of thing that some people like it, some people don't. And you want to cut it large enough for the people who don't like it and they can easily put it on the side while still giving flavor. So you're going to cut your onion, you're going to mince your garlic, and you're going to put a pan on the stove with a bit of olive oil, and you're going to cook your onion and garlic together for about 10 minutes. For the next step, you're going to thinly slice your peppers, and you're going to add peppers, salt, pepper, and about a ladle of hot water to your pan with your onions and your garlic. This recipe calls for 1 green pepper. I'm going to be using a yellow pepper, and really all you're looking for is a pepper without a lot of flavor, because as we know, green peppers don't have a lot of flavor, and so you want something that'll balance out the red peppers. So you're going to finely cut these, add them in, and you're going to cook them with the garlic and with your onion for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the next step, you're going to take your tomatoes, you're going to cut them in half, and you're going to add them to the rest of your mixture with your peppers, your onions, and your garlic, and you're going to cook everything together with your basil, you're going to add that too, for about half an hour. And as it's cooking, if you see that it's becoming dry, you can add a little bit of water occasionally. Now, this is the most exciting part of the recipe. You're going to take your eggs and you're going to crack them in the pan with all the vegetables, but you want to space them evenly within the vegetables so then they can cook properly and they won't kind of mix into each other. You're going to cook your eggs sunny side up until they're cooked and set inside, and then at that point, you're ready to serve. This is the perfect recipe that you can serve with a nice piece of calabrese bread, or something on the side that you can just sop up all the juice from the tomatoes, the peppers, the eggs, with the garlic and the onion, all the flavors coming together in perfect harmony. So now it's time for the taste test. This looks amazing and smells amazing, and it's actually quite quick and easy to prepare, which, for me, many benefits. So let's try and see how it tastes. The flavors are very mild. The egg just gives that extra carb, I guess you could say, to substance to it. And the peppers, the flavor is amazing with the onion. Like, you can't even, the onions are sweet almost. Wow, very good. Even better is this calabrese bread that I'm dipping in all the juices here, the sauces. Oh my, you don't want to waste anything with this recipe. It's divine. For those of you who want to try this delicious recipe, it's below in the description box. Let me know if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel. As well, I do have an Instagram page by the name of A Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where you can find all these recipes, behind the scenes videos, and photos. Until next time, buon appetito! which is peppers with eggs. I don't remember tomatoes. Okay, I know in Italian, but not in English. There's very few ingredients. Okay.
Your recipe.
I know. That entirely together. Okay, do that again.